Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand the weekly contest 470 problem number first. This is the contest question we have, and no need to worry because I'm going to start from the very beginning. I'll try to cover all these questions that we have in this weekly contest, right? I'll try to cover all these 4 questions. Okay, so keep watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you're new at Expert Funda, please subscribe the channel. Okay, so very first the question is saying that we have to compute the alternating sum. Okay, means we are given a integer array that is called nums. As you can see here in the example, we have given nums 1 3 5 7. So this is an integer array. So it is saying we are given an integer array nums, right? What we have given? We have given integer array nums. So the alternating sum of nums is valued obtained by adding elements at even indices and subtracting elements at odd indices, right? That is, we can say nums at 0 minus nums at 1, nums at 2, and nums at minus 3, and so on until we have all the elements. And then we have to return the integer that is denoting the alternating sum of the nums, right? Means what we need to do, all the even numbers we have to add, and all the odd numbers we have to, odd number of positions we have to subtract, or you can say we have to do minus, right? So if you see the explanations, we have nums at 0 is, you can say, sum, and 2, these are the even number position, and we have the odd indices like 1 and 3, these are the odd indices. So if you do the required operations, you will see 1 plus 5 is 6, and minus 3 minus 7 is 10. So 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 4, right? This is what we need to develop. If there is only one element, we will just return this value, right? This is positive values will return. So the constant we have given is nums dot length. It could be greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 100, right? And nums at element means the value of the element could be greater than equal to 1 and less than 100, means both is equal. So this is a very simple problem. Let's try to understand how we are going to solve it, right? Very first, what you need to do, we have given the nums we have given, right? I'll take a sum. So very simple steps. If you are beginner, you just need a for loop, right? You'll start the for loop from 0. You will go to the nums dot length, and you will do what? I equal to I plus 2, and then you will do sum plus, and you will keep adding the sum here, right? Once all the even numbers you are added, means we will having the sum total, right? All the even places. Now for the odd places, what you need to do, just you will do the minus here, and because you are already the sum, so you will do minus each time you are getting the value, and then you will return the sum, right? This is the sum. We have all the plus at the even positions and all the minus at the odd places, and you will return the answer, and this will work for you. Okay, but let's understand how I have developed here. So if you are a beginner, don't worry, let's try to implement here. So as you can see here, what we have given is 1 3 5 and 7, and so on. We will be given in the nums. So very first, this is 0, this is 1 2 and 3. So if you'll say what are the odd places are there, right? So I'll say this is our odd places and this is our odd places, right? So we know that if I'll start the indices at 0, right, means 0 plus 2. So the next position for the even number, this is our even number, right? Even index. So 0 I have started. If I'll do the plus 2, I'll get the next position, that is this is even number, right? So we'll get the next index. And if there will be more elements in this list, right, let's suppose we have 4, then we have 5, right? So if I want the next position, this is as an even number, so how we'll get this? Just we'll do plus 2, we'll get the 4, right? If there is one more element, this is 6, means we want this one, so we'll say 2 plus 2 is 4, just add 2 more, we'll get the 6, right? It means each time what we need to add, we need to add plus 2, right? And then we are getting each time the indices. These are nothing but the indices, right? And so similarly, if we want the next one, we need to add 2, right? Similarly, if I'll start for the I equal to odd places, I am talking about this one, it means just we need to do here, the starting position will be changed and rest of the thing will be remain same. Means +2 will do, similarly will whatever value will come, let's suppose 3 will come, just will do add. Means both time we need to do +2 itself, right? And we'll get the alternate values, we can say that. It means that we have given this starting position, so we'll say this is for the even position and this is for the odd position, right? And that is why I took the for loop that I start from 0 and 1. So this is for the even number and this is for the odd number, right? So when we are starting for the I equal to 0, if you come here, you see this is the 0. So this is nothing but your I indices. So indices start from where? At 0 for the even number and for the odd 1. That is why I have took here I equal to 1 and I equal to 0, right? And each time we will do +2, so we can get the next integer, right? Next index, right? So for the even number, we know that we have to do the plus, right? So we'll do each time we will do the plus, and for the even number we'll do here, for the odd number we'll do the minus, right? And we know we'll keep adding. So let's suppose we have given is what we have given the answer 1357. So let's talk about 1357, right? This is the number we have given, right? So what we need to do, for let's suppose for the even number, very first I equal to 0, you will add the sum equal to 1. Then again the even number will come at what? 5. So we'll do 1 plus 5. So your sum will become what? 6 here. Can we say that? Means 1 and 5 is 6, correct? Next, when we go for the sum, it will start from where? 3. So we'll add 3 first, then you will come to the 7, and then you add the 7. Now it will become what? 10. When you will get these numbers, I'm just for understanding I'm saying, so you are doing minus, right? So this will be counted as a minus, right? But this will be counted as a plus because we are using the plus, right? As you can see. So each time you will subtract. So let's suppose when you completed here this for loop, right? You have 6, right? So what will happen for the sum? You are doing the minus, right? So very first the sum is 6. Then you got 3, right? Minus 3. So what you will get? You will get minus 3. Then you will come what? 7. Again you will do the minus 7, right? You will get what? 10. Can we say that? Just for understanding, right? We can say we'll get the 10. So if you have 1 plus 5, right? You will get here, you will get is 6, right? Then you will get what? What will you get? 3 plus 7, right? You will get what? Minus 3 minus 7, right? You will add here. Means this way you have to subtract, right? We can say that. So odd time you are adding here, and even time you are adding here, and odd time you are not adding, right? So that is why we are getting what? -4. So odd time we are getting what? 1 and 5. You are getting what? 6. Then save -3 and -7. You are getting what? -10, right? So here you will get what? -4. Understand? So here you got what? 6, right? So here minus you will get what? Plus, right? So obviously you will get -4. Sorry, here I did mistake. Okay, so next we are going to understand 3702. If you have any doubt in this video, please let me know in the comment section and we'll understand here. Okay.